Hey, welcome to my little application for photogrammetry automation that I built. This one is a rather simple one. It could be useful in production for sure, but honestly for me it's rather meant to be me demonstrating that I can realize certain visions and automate work with Python, create a graphical user interface with Pyside 6 QT, and make use access of some APIs of third-party software applications. Additionally, then have some image processing going, and in the end have some one button press solution to automate all the tasks, which in the end then lead to a product. So let's talk a little bit about what the application does and then have a little demo rundown. The application is structured in a project setting sections on the top. Then we have an image processing section, the Metashape section, and a DCC project section. Additionally, it has a save and load preset button functionality, and in the end with a one button solution which is named start, which basically kicks everything off. So at the top at the project settings, by default it provides the standard path to your photogrammetry application. You may want to change that one if you install it elsewhere. Then next there's the path to your master Python file, which is the script for the photogrammetry part itself. And that allows flexibility if you want to modify what's going on inside of Metashape. Yeah, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You just choose a project name, a location, which will also be the project folder where everything will be sit in. Yeah, and then lastly you provide a path where your raw images sit that could basically point directly to your camera or some cloud storage, whatever. Then the next section is about the raw image processing. The application allows to make some basic adjustments of some commonly used parameters in photogrammetry. There's currently no picture preview integrated, and therefore it makes absolutely sense to explore your master preset like beforehand and make use of the save load feature. Yeah, and again, keep in mind this is just a demonstration, me basically doing some automation stuff, and obviously certain additions would be useful for production usage. Then the next section has some of the most commonly used Metashape parameters exposed for quick access. I will not go over these parameters, it's not the purpose of the video. And in the end you can decide if you want a project to be created within a DCC package like Maya, Houdini or Blender, which then has the completed photogrammetry model already loaded up. So let's hit the start button for a quick demo rundown. I will also speed up the video so we do not have to wait for the processing, and in the end we can have a quick look and inspect one of the demo models. Yeah, you can see once I hit the start button everything kicks off and the project is basically created here. Also you can see inside the log a status like what it's currently doing. And the raw image data set I chose for this demonstration is from my self-built automated capture solution, which works great for this kind of stuff. Then next let's have a quick look what the automation creates inside the project. First here it copies over the raw images. Next then it processes the images based on your settings or your preset, and here that's the place where your Metashape project sits in and the model gets exported to. And here that's the folder for the DCC package. The DCC package is not yet implemented in this build, but the folder is in place and it does make sense for further automations going on for within the DCC package. Alright, looks like everything is done. Here's your Metashape project and your exported model. We can also have a quick look inside the Metashape project. Here it is. It reconstructed the model, it textured the model, everything is ready to go.